This is my 280Z. I got it with a running 350 small block Chevrolet. It was running, but I wouldn't consider it driving, so I got a lot of work to do with it. This is the interior trim and vinyl. Cleaned everything off. Salvaged what I could, and if I couldn't, I just bought it new. I tried cleaning the interior vinyl, but it just stayed way too nasty. No, the inner section you wouldn't see, but it's still nasty. The roll bar I had blasted and powder coated by Powder Coating and Polishing Unique. A good friend of mine owns a little shop down in Holley. I'll post a link below if you'd like to get anything done. So basically it's the roll bar, interior trim, steering wheel, speakers, and gauges. Haven't opened them up yet. Skillard bracket for it. Post a link on it in the description. The sun's out today, so I'll take advantage of it by letting the 280Z vinyl and the RX-7 carpet sit out. Maybe it'll take some form. Used the Cricut to do a test cut on a logo I created. I think it came out good. And we have a logo on the car. That line's an RX-7. Later I'll make a 280Z and revise it. As far as the interior goes, I still need to finish up the wiring before I want to put the trim back in. The wiring that was in before was a mess. Looked like loose wires were ran and just wire nutted and spliced, and that was everything. So that led me to taking all the interior out, and the floor was kind of a mess also. Removed everything, sprayed lizard skin, and I have something from them for using their product. Lizard skin hat. I like it too. Only missing a few things in the interior, and there are still some things I'd like to replace, like the door seals. I have this nasty thing. I think this evening I'll order some off a Skillard site. I'll eventually replace the center console and the dash. The console I'll have, but it's not really good. Neither is the dash. It's a cover on it because it's cracked. I have the stock seats. They're in bad shape. Had some extra RX-7 FD seats. Since I had them laying around, I put them in. It was almost a direct fit. Under the hood still needs wiring, the battery put in place, some sorting, some cleaning up too. Avenue air dam and 240Z front bumper. The exhaust needs to be brought in a little bit. The exhaust needs to be taken in a little. The 3-piece spoiler still needs some work. I'm not really a fan of the big gap here. The louver needs to be painted. I have some seals ready to go on it once I do get the paint taken care of. I'm excited to have a 280Z. I have a lot of plans for it and should hold on to it for quite a while, unless someone was to offer me one of those. Then I might not be able to say no. Thanks for watching. I plan on making a lot of videos of this car.